The VSDINSIDE Macro Keypad MK18 is equipped with 18 programmable keys that offer unmatched customization for seamless workflow management. Its one-touch operation allows users to execute complex tasks with a single click, making it ideal for gamers, streamers, and professionals. The keypad's one-click multi-hotkey feature revolutionizes productivity by allowing simultaneous or sequential execution of macros, enhancing the user's experience. The surrounding RGB light ring not only adds style but also creates an immersive atmosphere. This device is compatible with both Windows and macOS, ensuring seamless integration with popular software and applications. Built with high-quality materials, the VSDINSIDE Macro Keypad MK18 promises durability and comes with versatile plugins, including schedule reminders and a weather app.